But what is this glance of Maha Vishnu? What's the difference between spiritual nature and material nature then? In the material nature, Maha Vishnu or Krishna is not actively involved. He's just lying down. And he's sleeping. Yoga nidra. He's sleeping. He is not active. And his ideas or his glance is projected. His consciousness is projected in a certain way. And the living entities are actually acting in that. That is what the material creation is. So here also one of the first things that we need to do is recognize sabthe Jagat mithyia. But for us, some very beautiful analogy, rain and the water collected on the field. And in that water, the tree, we can see the reflection of the tree. As long as the water will be there, the reflection will be there. When the water will dry out, that reflection will be there. So the reflection is there because the tree is there. And as a reflection, it is real. We cannot say that this reflection doesn't exist. Can anybody say that the tree satya and reflection mithyia? No, we can't say that. The tree is real, reflection is also real. Reflection is real as a reflection, it is real. As a tree, it's not real. So material nature is like a reflection.